of underground coal mining methods. To start with, let me know whether my voice is audible because we faced a lot of problems recently. Are you able to hear my voice so that I can now? Yes, no.
Yes, sir. Your voice is audible.
Very good. Now, very good morning once again, my beloved students. Since my voice is audible to you, because we faced a lot of problems previously, 2-3 classes, where our Yogita madam, Jasmine madam, and others helped a lot, giving my voice to our beloved students. Now, to start with, I am also interested to take up any queries because our computer center and automation team of MS team, they try to make some modifications in my system and other things. That's why that problem was solved. There was some problem of the connectivity. And since now it is clear, now welcome to our lecture number 26 of underground coal mining methods 2102 on 15 February 2021. And now I am interested to share the slides, but before that, we also made one good arrangement of our utilizing our board. Let me know whether you are able to see whatever is here, written here, whether it is a long wall, strata control, whatever is written. Are you able to see this board? Anybody can respond to me. Are you able to see this board and something written here as a 15 February 2021? And
No, sir, it is not clearly visible.
it is not clearly visible. And I am writing something. If you are able to see, for example, this is a long wall, because we are interested to discuss today. Since few classes we are discussing about the long wall mine. Are you able to see this long wall, whatever I have written here?
Not clearly, sir, but partly we can see.
Achha, partly you can see. So because sometimes what happens because of that focusing, achha, what I have written here, just you try to see just for 1 minute only we spend whether it is visible or not, then we will see. I am just trying to change the focusing. You just tell me on one side I am rotating it. Are you able to see more clearly now?
जी सर.
I am changing that. जयराम जी आके थोड़ा बोर्ड क्लियर कर लीजिए ना, क्लास में है. I am seeing this. Now I am changing the focusing. Are you able to see more clearly now? Is it clear? More clear or less?
Less, sir.
It is becoming
Yes,
less.
sir.
Okay. So I am rotating in a different direction now. Now clarity, is it increasing? That board, whatever, so that we can utilize the board. Otherwise, don't worry. So we are trying to utilize the board and the settings we made it. Our Jairam is also helping us a lot, and now he is cleaning the board now. Okay. Is there any improvement in the board quality? I mean, focusing in this direction. I am rotating now. Otherwise, don't worry. We will continue the class. Are you able to see more clearly when I am rotating like this? Yes, no?
No,
You have
sir.
to respond.
No, sir.
No. Then
Sir,
don't
if the
worry.
distance between camera and whiteboard will be decreased, then I think visibility will increase.
That is true. You are very much right. And meanwhile, we will try. एक बार आप ट्राई कीजिए कुछ डेटॉल गिटाल से, ठीक है ना, क्लीन. Till that is cleaned, then we will continue with our conventional way of through the slides. Now I am sharing the slides, my beloved students. Meanwhile, you can also, let me take attendance first. Let me take attendance and then continue. Yes. Meanwhile, let me know some doubts, because the last few classes we tried to utilize others' voice, and any doubts specific, so that little bit more I can explain. Any doubts on previous classes due to this audio problems? Because students asked me at that time to explain further, but it should not be total explanation. But some thing you must have already understood it, and we can discuss more in a different way. Let me share the slide. Now, are you able to see the screen, my beloved students of underground coal mining methods? Yes. Now you are able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Full screen. Yes. Okay, then welcome to our lecture 26 for online teaching learning process. Sorry for the problems of our NITR connectivity, maybe voice not reaching at that time in our previous class also. Don't worry for that. We try to have some safety factor and to understand more. And in the last classes, we try to just understand when longwall mining is being adopted or experimented or practiced in some of the mines. So how that panel performance was there, and ultimately, as I told you, we are following this longwall. I am just showing little bit previous class materials also, so that it becomes easy for you, where our CR was also coordinating in helping in these problems of audio and other things. Now, also before this, I also would like to tell you, my beloved students, you must be having all your assignments prepared and submitted to your CR, your Word and PPT and your PDF, whatever files, so that from the next class means tomorrow. Tomorrow is 16th, a sweet 16 February, right? And best wishes. You must have had a good Sunday spent yesterday, right? So tomorrow is a Saraswati Puja. By that time, we should finish all our whatever is a pending assignments. And these materials, let me show you once, so that anybody interested, we can discuss more. Now, this missionary and whatever was used, we discussed at that time. Now you see, missionary at work, because why I am telling this is, as a part of your syllabus or course, we have provided to you in that even you are supposed to know about the equipments. What are the equipments being used at the working phases? It can be, as you are seeing here, at that time I could not explain because of these problems of audio and other things. So AM50 road headers means that is for driving the gate roads. That gate road drivage can be done many ways. If it is a conventional way of driving, even you may be blasting and then loading with your SDLs, LHDs, or even with the scrappers. Even we did long back, even manual way of mining also. So, but nowadays, whatever drivage we do, either we are utilizing our continuous miners, otherwise road headers, so that this material, when you are not blasting, then that is giving very good conditions of strata. That means with blasting, your rock mass surrounding your gate road or whatever is opening, gallery, whatever name you give, that is getting disturbed. Then that is the reason why we use cutting machines, and with cutting, then like a mechanical engineers know very well, right? So this damage to the roof or sides will be very less. So that is the reason why we use road headers, and that missionary part I am leaving it to your mining missionary professor, our professor D.S. Nimaji, so that he will be explaining to you, and he must have explained to you by this time. Otherwise you can read You are all my intelligent and beloved students of underground coal mining methods. And then this is a 500 shearer, but generally these 500 or 50, these words in the manufacturer's terminology, it is for this rated power. It may be in the kilowatts, HP, horsepower, whatever it is. So this is the way how they give the number. Then their name, all those things like that. It can be 50 HP or 50 kilowatt. This is 500 kilowatt. That is a drum shearers, whatever are used. And then armored phase conveyor, you know very well, we have seen in the lab model also, as well as some videographies and then photographs of my own investigations in the mines you have seen already. That specifications, of course, you will be getting in lot of books, so I will not go further, but I am going back just to show some important points which were missed, so that you should understand. And here support on the face at that time, now we have written 4 by 750. The meaning of this 4 by 750 is, now this is a total capacity of the support is 750 tons, and 4 implies there are 4 legs. Nowadays there are 2 legs. 2 legs supports also, it has its own advantages and disadvantages, right? And it is something like you can see we people with 2 leg, we are walking nicely, right? Beautifully, like your Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, whatever, right? And similarly, like 4 leg. So this has more stability and so many things, like our beautiful animals. You can name anything. Monkey is one of that. Okay, like we all behave sometimes when we are not submitting our assignments in time. That behavior is a monkey behavior only. But we all come above that level, whether it is a 2 leg or 4 leg. It's a 2 leg, like my beloved students who are highly intelligent, punctual, disciplined, and part of Skill India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, like you people. They are also very good. At the same time, 4 leg like animals, right? They are also very good in different sense, right? So these are the supports, that terminology when we use, whether it is a 4 leg or 2 leg. So you write as 2 cross, if it is a capacity 750 tons, 400 tons, 200 tons. We started with even 250 tons. Now, what is the meaning of this 800 ton? Anybody want to comment on this? Yogita madam, Jasmine madam, Karthik, anybody want to comment on this? What is the meaning? Because you are not asking any doubt. Either you may be sleeping on the bed and kept your mobile on. What is the meaning of this operated to 800 tons? That is my first CEP question to you. I could see people, Shivam Kumar Dubey, Yogita madam, Anik Kumar, Kanhaiya. Shall I take attendance? Your CR can decide. Topi laga ke topi nikal. Shrey Jha, Chinmaya Kumar Patra, all these people are absent. Maji Kapu Saira, Ayush Gupta, then I could see Subhankar Mishra. Anybody interested to say about it? What is the meaning of this operated? Operated to, I have shown it here, operated to 800 tons. Shall I take attendance now? Yogita madam, is it required?
Yes, sir.
Shall I take attendance? You are not little kids.
Okay, sir.
You are all responsible people. Okay, don't worry. The meaning here is, my point is, I was told by some of our beloved students that some students, not you people, you will not come under that category. So some students, they simply keep their mobile on and then keep it there and they are sleeping, right? So at least I want to make them awake in between, so that they will become a part of your Skill India, Make India, whatever it is. Okay, don't worry for that. Now, this is operated to 800 tons means, now whatever supports are there, by any manufacturer, they have a facility even when they design, even your even computer or even your TV, whatever you are utilizing, right? So if its capacity, if it can sustain 220 volts, it has a capacity for 220 plus or minus 10%, 5%, so many things are there. So that type of facility is generally provided by the manufacturers, and that's what is the meaning of this. And then this can be operated, that's what was done, and that's what just I was trying to show to you. And then other things already you understood it, long wall driven with 7 meter wide, right? So here itself I should ask you so many questions, and here also I kept 4 by 800 tons chalk shields at that time, 3D2 panel, so which we monitored. This is a CDF France in 1989-90 that time, when no, that was the CDF France is in East Katras, but this is our long wall panel 3D2 is in Adriala adjacent that mine GDK 10 incline. Okay, so these things already we discussed, and let me not go to that much back, only depending on your doubts we will go to that. And only thing is at that time I could not explain. Now you see these are these long wall panels, and in between there is a fault plane. Now you should understand very well. So if there is a fault and we face a lot of problems, and that is the reason why after trying many attempts were made to cross the fault in the previous panels, and I should say we failed to do it properly, right? So that's why in the subsequent panels what we did, we have kept this as a barrier between two panels. So that's why this D panel, 3D panel was made into 3D1 and D2, two sub panels. That is what is the meaning of this, and that's what was done. And that practical issues also I wish that you should understand. That's why I have shown you. And these are the people, our Sridhar in that same long wall panel when we were doing investigations or designing aspects of it. And he is our Narendra, now he is a director of mine safety, right? At that time he was assistant manager, and we are doing all these investigations. He is a strata control engineer Sridhar, right? All those people are there. Just whenever you go to that mines, you will be seeing them, you will be visiting all those people. Right. Now, continuing with that, just to say few words, giving you just for 5 minutes, let me tell you that already you have seen whenever there is a long wall panel. While explaining this, let me make you aware of this. I was trying to show you now. Let me utilize this board also, if that board is clear to you, so that you can utilize. I am coming out of this sharing. Now I stopped sharing the screen. Now you try to see whether this board is visible. Then we go further with the long wall mining. Now we are discussing. Let me also know. I would like to use very big letters. Long wall mining. Are you able to see this? Long wall mining. I have written long wall mining because I was told that on this side this is more clear compared to this. Some glare is there. Is it okay? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So in long wall mining, what is happening? So this is a floor, right? Suppose this is your 3 meter or 4 meter, whatever is the thickness of the seam. Then you consider this side as your go for the barrier you started extracting from this side, and you are moving on to this side. Then now this is your barrier. Once you are extracting, suppose now you are at the stage. Why I am telling this is, you should understand clearly when I am showing you what is the behavior or the status of that panel, long wall panel, as far as your phase performance or your gate road performance or your on the whole, safety status or its ventilation, all those aspects we are trying to understand here. Now, at different stages, suppose you must have extracted up to 10 meters, then GOF is exposed span is only 10 meter. Then going on extracting after 45, 50, 60 meters, then you must have noticed there is a fall or the major fall taking place. But how that major fall is taking place? These immediate layers, whatever are there, I am showing only 2-3 layers just for the sake of understanding. Here, when this is a layer 1, I am keeping layer 1 and layer 2, and this is layer 3, and from there to the surface. Now, initially, when longwall mining is going on, here your chalk shields are this is your face when this is your coal seam, and then your face means you are having your ranging drum shearer, and then your AFC. This is your AFC armored face conveyor. Over the conveyor, your shearer is moving. That serves as a track for this. And then this is your ranging drums. There are 2 drums, and it is cutting this coal. At that time, your chalk shield supports with a canopy, whatever it is, and then you have, if it is a 4-legged or 2-legged, whatever. So just for the understanding, let me have this, and then your shield support here, lemniscate joint. That's why we call it as a lemniscate joint, because whenever any leg is moving, so that top canopy should be horizontal. It should not go something like this. It should, whenever you are moving your leg or the extending your legs of the chalk shield supports, then this canopy, whatever is there, the top plate, which is having 1.5 meter width, and then your length, this may be around 4 meter or 4.5 meters. So with this, and then this will become the GOF. And now when this is at around 50, 60, whatever is that meter phase advance, now by that time there is a conditions of the long total caving of this GOF, and that is what is called the main fall or main weighting or the major fall. And then when this is happening, at that time maximum load will come on the chalk shields. So that's why while designing also that support system, you are supposed to provide that much of capacity of the supports to take care of this, and there will be at that time lot of dynamic loading, right? And then once this happens, and suppose now still you are continuing extraction, now you just imagine that your panel is now at 100 meter or 80 meters from the barrier. Now at 60 meter your major fall took place. At that time, what is the meaning of this? At that time, if it is your major fall, suppose this is a plate on the roof, then after 60 meter of this face advance, your face is moving, and let me use this as your working face. Now this working face is moving this direction, and this GOF already fall to place, and this is totally settled. Then this will become like a cantilever now. There is no connection. There is no connection here from here to this place. That means now it was already having before major fall. This has a connectivity of all these layers, whatever is the overlying or nether roof. Here it is like a total plate of your face length 150, 200, 250, 300 meter, whatever it is, and then this 60 meter length, 60 by 200 meters. So that much area, 60 by 200 is around 12,000, right? Square meter area is exposed, and that plate, whatever is this 60 into 250 or 200 meter, this plate is sufficient to cause the total major fall. And after this fall, what happens? Now here there is a break with the connectivity of this roof, whatever is there, and I mean with the barriers. Now this will act as a cantilever, and that is the meaning of whatever we are writing here as a periodic weighting. That means once the connectivity of this total plate or a beam, if you consider as a two-dimensional case, if it is considered as a beam, in that case what happens? This beam is now not a fixed beam on the both ends, but it is open on one side. So now it is acting like a cantilever beam. So this cantilever is being supported by your chalk shield supports. So this is the way how this is called every time around 15 to 20 meter. That is what is our range. I mean in Indian coal measure strata, this is the periodic weighting. Now you can use the word periodic weighting, whatever is written there, and this is the main weighting or main fall, whatever is there. So these are the differences that people should understand. And when it is a periodic weighting or when it is a main weighting or main fall, there are different situations. At the time of major fall or main fall, then lot of load will be coming on that, because it is a lot of span is there and lot of load is coming, and it can be dynamic loading. So your support whatever is there, because your persons are working under that, okay, your support should have the capacity to take that, and not only the capacity, it should have the characteristics of even yielding also. When there is a dynamic load, you should also allow that to yielding. Just imagine a case. When load is coming, but it is not yielding in compatibility with the ground reaction or ground characteristics or ground behavior. When your support behavior is not compatible, then that leads to some type of chalks going solid or failure of the chalk legs, and all the chalk legs will be broken. And very simple to understand. In a very simple way, let me tell you, this load is coming. My chalk, if it is not going down at the same rate, otherwise what happens, this rate of coming down is very fast, and it is not yielding. Your yield wall, even which is bleeding, that's what happens. The bleeding, that's what you have seen there. A bleeding word is used, BLEEDING, right? So bleeding of that wall, yield wall, should take place at the same rate, and then only it can take care of the dynamic weight absorption, right? And then moving fast, and that is the reason why you should have faster rate of extraction. You cannot hold there for a long time. Then at the time of this major fall, you should move very fast. And then if you are not yielding at the same rate where it is coming down, your ground is moving or strata is moving, then your chalk compared to the total load coming is almost negligible, right? Then what happens when major load is coming and you are rigid, then you will break. Very simple to understand. So this is what is the stiffness of the roof and stiffness of the support. There should be a matching. That is what is the meaning of strata control, that you will be learning in final year. Don't worry now. And now we are just continuing further the slides. If you have any doubt, definitely we'll be discussing. Let me share the slide, my beloved students. Right. And now you are able to see the slide. Yes, no?
Yes.
Then we will continue.
Yes.
Very good. So now you can understand better, because at that time I could not explain these things. Now as if you are there in the long wall panel, and then at the face length of 95 meter, what happened? You just try to understand now. Here at 95 meters, when face was there, that was a periodic weighting. Now you understood what is the meaning of periodic weighting, right? Today I am not asking many questions, okay? Right. So bleeding of supports from C55 to 71. Now you understood it. That means that load coming on that at that time of periodic waiting at 95.2 meters phase advance, right? So now with whatever is the span, I mean after the major fall, right? This is a periodic waiting time. So cantilever of that much 15, 20, 25 meter is sufficient to cause that roof to fall, right? That's what is happening here. Then the supports from C55 to 71. Total supports may be around 100, already you have seen. Numbers are used, madam. Here total number of chalk shield supports used in this panel. How many? Anybody? I am not writing here. So there were around. Anybody want to respond? Then I should write CEP1. I thought I did not write or ask questions, right? So how many shield supports used? Supports used and its capacity. P. So already we have seen it. Don't worry. Now, bleeding of supports from what we are talking about this. Okay, C55 to 71. That means those are there almost in the middle of the panel, and when it is in the middle of the panel, right, it experiences maximum load. That is a more load is acting in the middle, right? And then phase spalling was also taking place from C51 to 54. What is the meaning of phase spalling? So when you are working, then it is your phase, right? This is your long wall phase, okay? Long wall phase. So you are cutting the phase. You are cutting with your shearer. Shearer is moving from here to here, right? So at a time you are cutting about 0.8 meter or 0.6 meter thickness or the web thickness, whatever is the thickness of your drum, you are cutting it and then moving like this, okay? But while cutting it, depending on the load coming on that, that is the reason why you should know all the geomining conditions. What is the depth cover? If there is more depth cover, then you will be facing lot of problems of this spalling. You are cutting it, but at the same time along with that there will be spalling, and if the spalling is too much, then it may help you in cutting easily, but it may cause you more problems of your yielding and then your face uncontrolled phase or stator control problems like that. Okay. Now then water seepage, whatever it is there here mentioned, from here it happened. Then same thing, periodic waiting happened again, 122 meter. Now you can see here about 20-25 meters is a span required. So that is the meaning of this. When you see it requires a cantilever of around 20-25 meters for the next periodic waiting to take place, so that next time when you are monitoring all these things, you will be understanding that next time when that periodic waiting comes, you should be very cautious, right, in your production, and you should be very fast in the rate of extraction. All those things are supposed to be taken care. So now you can see one more thing here, phase spalling from C10 to C70, whatever it is, and then bleeding of support C48 to C68. You can just imagine that you are there in the phase and there are this many number of supports, you are moving around and you are working the long wall phase. So this is what is happening. Now you can see waiting zone, also how much is a waiting zone, and breaker line formed in front of the canopy. This is very important issue, my beloved students. This causes a lot of problems, because I want to utilize this opportunity to explain through these type of case studies and some practical examples of our longwall mining under progress, right? And where you see while working at the face, later I will show you later there, but let me just explain here itself. Now, when you are working, cutting the face, what is happening here? Breaker line formed from C45 to 52 and 62 to 67. So now these are the chalks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever is the number. So almost in the middle, right, there is a breaker line formed, right, in front of the canopy. Canopy means here what is that? So if you consider this as a chalk, right, this as a chalk, this is your roof now, right? Now this chalk is there. Chalk with your legs, okay? This is your working face. Working face is like this. Then what is happening here? Now there is a breaker line that is from the canopy this side to the face in between here. If there is a breaker line, that is going to cause lot of problems, and many times, you please note down, right? Many times we faced, especially in Singareni colonies and other mines, because of some type of slips in the longwall panel, or there are some fault planes which are not with any displacement along the fault plane. Then what happens? If there is a fault plane or a joint plane, you can say it as a joint. When there is no displacement, suppose this is a fault plane, then we call it as a fault when there is a displacement along in any direction movement. Otherwise, it is simply a joint. When there is a joint like this, right, what happens? Now this forms as a breaker line, and this poses lot of problems at the face, and we may have to stop the face, and we did it for couple of mines. In couple of mines, there were some cracks at the face. You please note down somewhere, right? You will get a lot of information about this. Even we publish in so many other conferences, journals also, where this is a very crucial problem in longwall mining, when there are this type of cracks or some breaker lines forming at the face between the canopy or the chalk and the face, right? It is uncontrollable, and we have to stop the face for some time, and all these things to be taken care, okay, right? So this much should be sufficient for the support or this performance is concerned. I am not going in much details into this other periodic faults and all, right? And now coming to other parts of this excavation or extraction. So when you are extracting by caving in that mines, or in our whatever the example I am giving you, 3D1 or 3D2 panels and all, we have all the data A to Z of all these mines with us as a part of our investigations from NIT Rourkela. Now, even you can also see some of this in your seniors, whether it's a BTech, MTech projects also they used to do with me, right? So there are subsidence of about maximum subsidence in this panel is around 0.6 meters. It was noticed, subsidence observed over the previous panel. It was in 3C. In 3D, it was 0.6 meters on the surface, and in 3C, it was about 1.21 meter subsidence. That's what took place, because this is a caving process. And then going for other panel, before that, let me also have any doubts and the status of your assignments by either by your CR or somebody next year. CR up to the last is also all the CRs, right? They can also tell about this, what is a status, and if they need any help from my side, so that I wish that you people should have collected a lot of materials, and then this is our learning based education, part of our National Education Policy 2020, where we promote improving the skills and then participation in the teaching learning process and learning more and sharing more among all the students. That's what is a mission of our Skill India, whatever, Atmanirbhar Bharat. We are going with National Education Policy 2020, right? So after few minutes, we will continue discussing about other aspects of the Longwall panels in different mines like Bisrampur area. I'm just showing for few minutes only, then before going into that, this total panel details we will be discussing, right? What is that equipment they used, and they were 8 panels there, and its geology, and then whatever is the different targets, and then what was their performance, right? And geomining situations, and then overlying rocks, properties, and then uh, strength of the rocks, and then its machinery, and any problems they faced during this long wall mining at these Kumda mines, because we were doing some investigations for them in some other aspects of pillar design and underground mining methods. So as a part of it, we also were doing collecting this type of materials which may be used for you. And along with this, what I am showing here is a salvaging operation is also very important. So what you understand by salvaging, you can tell me. Right, we will be seeing all these details in the subsequent classes today also, depending on your performance before our Saraswati Puja. We will be going on seeing all these
Sir, I
details,
have a doubt.
including your long wall equipments and its details. Also we will discuss whether it is a power supports, AFC, shearer, bridge, power pack systems, and all those things we will be discussing in detail. Now let me go back. Before that, one of our good friend has some doubt. This is you can
Sir,
have it
Gagan
for
Sahu.
this. Yes. Now I am going there to take your attendance. Now any doubts you can ask me, and we will discuss further. And meanwhile, our Yogita madam or another CR can take over, and she can also display about the status of the assignments who have submitted, not submitted, all those things also they can show now. Uh, yes, any doubts? आप
Sir,
पूछ
please
रहा था.
explain the face spalling.
Very good. This is by whom? आपका नाम बताना है.
Sir, Gagan. Sir, Gagan.
Gagan, yes, very nice. So Gagan has a very good query about face spelling. Is it right, Gagan? Nice.
Yes, sir.
Any other doubts? Meanwhile, CR to say about the status of assignments, so that from next class we will continue the presentations of uh, each. That is a 50% of the time we utilize for the regular class materials, and 50% time means at least 3-4 students they will be presenting. That is also part of our syllabus only, and their material already they collected a lot of material they will be presenting. And at that time, I will be giving a lot of information about that assignment part or the latest, whatever I know with my this little experience of three and a half decades of my whatever 20 years as a scientist, or whatever 1.5 decades as a professor here. So that is the way we plan, and you know very well we execute what we plan, and that's what is the requirement of our skill India, Startup India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, and National Education Policy, whatever the name you give. Now, Yogita Madam, CR, to continue with what is a status of assignments, because that assignment status should be given there. They are supposed to give to the CR when they are maintaining all one is a word file in the International Journal format, and it's clear, and then your all available to your care, and also in the prestige
Sir, you are not audible.
Sir, please unmute yourself, sir. You are muted.
Now are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir, but less volume. Volume is less, sir.
That's the main because of net options which are able to see, right? After all these made arrangement for 2, 3 are not hearing voice, I have so many other arrangements may not be required, right? Shall I use that this microphone are able to hear the voice?
It is very low, sir.
Now coming to let's say are you able to hear the voice? Yes, no. Are you able to hear the voice? Voice audible?
No, sir. No, sir.
Last
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, sir.
Karthik, you're audible. Sir's
Okay.
voice is not audible.
Yeah, वो समझ रहा है. So, sir, actually the deadline is 20 seconds. So I guess the presentation will be done on that day, no? So sorry, sir, I did not understand that. I guess most of the students will prepare their final presentation by 20 seconds. So it would be better if that would be taken on 20 seconds and further. Okay, sir, I will ask the class if anyone would had prepared, then they will start presenting from next class. Next class has started actually, so I don't think summary can be taken place today.
Or I'll summarize.
So, but next class has started.